Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS seeding tray mold under manufacturing in our EPS mold factory. It's our 200 cell EPS seeding tray mold with overall size 660 mm by 340 mm by 60 mm. As you can see from this video, EPS seeding tray mold carved by whole pieces of aluminum instead of casting aluminum with a higher accuracy and better stress. The surface of EPS seeding tray is more smooth. These 6 pieces of mold cavity already finished. Our engineer will assemble it shortly. For more information about EPS seeding tray mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button. See you next video.